Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Sunday, the 14th of April, and we are now back on the Sasa ferry landing. So we are just preparing for the takeoff. Here, normally there's a big queue, but today we are lucky. There was no queue. Here to the left is the Davao harbor. Some nice music even. So we just wait for the ferry to disembark. Quite a bunch of people. They all want to go to Samal Island because it's a holiday tomorrow. So they're climbing up the ladder. Now we wait for the signal from the captain, and then we can go. Just a second. Here's another ferry, color blue. Okay. So we will soon be taking off. Maybe there's an aircraft also coming because we are close to the Davao International Airport here. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I will show you the other ferry which is coming. Here, this one is now landing, Nicole 3. Motor vessel Nicole 3 is just arriving at the Sasa Wharf landing. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I wish you a good day. Just look for the blue sky and over there at Samal Island. Bye bye.